In this question, it is given that a body weighs W Newton at the surface of Earth. Its weight at a height equal to 1/4 of its radius of Earth. So we can find out what about the value of acceleration due to gravity at a height h above the Earth's surface. That is g naught divided by 1 plus h divided by r, the whole square. So we can write this g naught divided by 1 plus h is given as r by 3 in this question. So this r and this r get cancelled, the whole square. So this can be written as g naught divided by 1 plus 1 by 3 the whole square. So this can be written as g naught divided by 4 by 3 the whole square. So this can be written as g naught divided by 16 by 9, or you can write this is equal to 9 g naught divided by 16. So you can write if the acceleration due to gravity is decreased by 9 by 16 times, then the weight is also going to decrease by the 9 by 16 times, because mass is going to be a constant. So we can write weight is equal to W into 9 divided by 16.